The idea of turning any room in your house into a full-blown home cinema with a big screen, deep blacks, immersive surround sound has been kicked around for years, but the problem has always been that doing it well means stacking a bunch of separate purchases on top of each other. You buy the projector, then you realize that the built-in speakers sound like a laptop, so you buy a soundbar, and then you realize the soundbar doesn't do surround, so you buy satellites, etc., etc. The whole thing just becomes a project instead of you being able to enjoy it. So this right here is the Nebula X1S. It's not just a projector, it's a complete home cinema system in one box. A laser projector, 2 wireless satellite speakers, and a 100-inch screen all bundled together, deploying in about 5 minutes with basically zero setup. This video is sponsored by Nebula, and they sent us over this new projector for us to check out. I've had it running in my living room, my basement, and out in the patio at dusk. And here's the real take on whether one box can actually replace a full custom cinema setup. Real quick, what makes the Nebula X1S different before I get into the demos? Because on paper it does read like a spec sheet, but the story behind it is pretty simple. The whole thesis on the X1S is that it's a premium home cinema that shouldn't require a receiver, an amp, a soundbar, a satellite kit, and a screen all ordered separately, as well as a weekend of calibrating everything. It should all come in one box, deploy in one session, and hit a reference grade image and sound the moment you power it on. And every piece of the system is built around that idea. One box with a full cinema. So what do you get inside the box? It's a 6000 ANSI-lumen laser projector with a tricolor RGB laser engine, a 14-piece all-glass custom lens with Dolby Vision plus ISF certification. It has Android 14 running Google TV native, and even has a 25-degree electric micro gimbal with auto alignment and 2 wireless satellite speakers that pair with the projector in seconds. Then there's also this 100-inch screen, which just assembles in minutes. Let me start with the picture of the Nebula X1S because that's what you're actually paying for. It runs a 56,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio and a 5,000:1 native from hardware variable aperture. It also has a dynamic contrast algorithm on top, and what that actually means in a real room is that you get really deep blacks that land like such, not washed out dark gray that you tend to get on most projectors in this price segment. The trick is that the heavy lifting is done on the hardware side, not the software side. The software only contrast processing tends to produce halos and crushed shadow detail, while the X1S has a physical iris that opens and closes frame by frame. Dark scene, iris closes, light output drops, blacks go near plasma deep, and in a bright scene, the iris opens up full 6000 lumens through the lens to make sure the highlights look good. It's automatic and it's seamless, and you're getting native contrast performance that usually lives in a much more expensive tier projector. The reason this matters is that in a real living room, 90% of the time, you're not watching in a fully blacked out theater. You've got a lamp on, or a moonlight coming through the window, or a door cracked open. And that's the environment where dynamic contrast either shines or falls apart. And the 56,000:1 ratio on the X1S holds up in exactly the room you're actually going to use it in. Next thing is color, and this is where the Nebula X1S really separates itself. It runs a tricolor laser engine, 3 independent red, green, blue laser diodes generating each primary color at peak wavelength purity, plus factory 3D LUT calibration mapping every output to reference standards. The result is basically delta E 0.8, so factory calibrated right out of the box, and dual Dolby Vision plus ISF certified. If you're not a color nerd, delta E 0.8 means the difference between what you're seeing on screen and what the colors actually intended you to see when they mastered the film. So you unbox this thing, you power it on, it's already tuned to a level that would normally require paying somebody with a colorimeter to come in and do the professional calibration for you. So here there's no need for a calibration disc, colorimeter, and no afternoon spent tweaking settings. Just unbox it and go. The other thing here is the spec that actually quietly matters more than people realize, and that's that the Nebula X1S uses a 14-element all-glass lens. That's 14 precision ground glass elements, 0 resin, which makes this a much sharper image. And the issue with projectors that do have resin is that the element tends to heat up, it causes the focus to drift, and you're refocusing mid-movie every 30 or 40 minutes. So this all-glass lens fixes that. Glass doesn't expand meaningfully at the projector's operating temperature, so minute 1 and minute 180 look exactly identical. And that's the zero focus drift. This brings me to the piece that actually makes this a full cinema system and not just another projector, the 2 wireless satellite speakers. The Nebula X1S ships with 2 wireless satellite speakers that provide 4.1.2 surround sound and pair with a projector over a proprietary low latency protocol, so no HDMI ARC, no Bluetooth, no lip sync delay at all, and no cables running across the floor. You just place the speakers, press a button, and they pair and you're in surround sound. It's super easy. The reason this matters is that until this existed, great projector picture and great surround sound were 2 separate shopping trips that kind of turned into 2 separate installation projects. So the X1S really skips every single step of that. In under 5 minutes with 0 wiring, you you have full surround sound in just one purchase. One cool thing the Nebula X1S has is automatic laser eye protection built in. So there's a motion sensor on the front of the projector that detects something moving into the beam path. So like a kid walking in front of the screen, or a dog running from room to room, or even you standing up to grab a snack, the laser automatically shuts off so you don't get hit with direct beam in the eyes. For anyone with kids and pets in the house, this is a real deal, as it turns that you can't have a laser projector kid height issue into a non-issue. It just stops and lets you walk past and then continues going. So here's where I land with the Nebula X1S. It's honestly a fantastic premium home cinema system that is actually so simple to use. Everything automatically calibrates, everything automatically connects. You have that dynamic contrast with the 56,001 ratio, with the deep blacks, a tricolor laser hitting the Delta E.8 we talked about with Dolby Vision. It's ISF certified out of the box. That glass lens with zero focus drift for a full 3-hour movie. And of course, you have that ability to get the 2 wireless satellite speakers for genuine surround sound without having to set anything up. The pricing is the other part of the story. The standalone price for this projector is $24.99 at launch. That's $800 off MSRP. If you bundle it with the wireless satellite speakers, it'll be $27.99. Or you can grab the full bundle with the 100-inch screen at $2,899, which is over $1,000 less than what those 3 components would run separately. If you've been putting off building a real home theater because it seemed a little too complicated, well then the Nebula X1S is a good shortcut for that. Light up your home with the one-box full cinema, and the link to the X1S and the full bundle are in the description down below. And with that, launch pricing isn't sticking around forever, so make sure to check that out. Thanks to Nebula for sponsoring this video and sending the X1S over for us to check out. If you have questions about it, drop them in the comments. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Goodbye.